So to make it really personal and to be really honest, I think he had a real hard time. He never expressed to me how he felt. However, he did tell my mom that he thinks he might be in trouble.
Dementia is one of the greatest challenges facing the healthcare system in the UK. We have an ageing population. One of the main risk factors of dementia is age. 1 in 4 hospital beds are taken up by someone with dementia. The UK DRI was set up to tackle dementia as this great scientific challenge. There are all these dementia researchers tackling the problem from multiple angles.
I'm Dane, I'm a group leader here at Cardiff University. I'm looking at the earliest changes that happen in Parkinson's disease to try and understand how we can combat the disease at the earliest stages.
Hello, I'm Shlomi Har. I'm a motor neuroscientist. We're developing objective digital biomarkers for the disease progression that can serve as a benchmark for any future therapy for people living with dementia today and in the future.
I study the immune system of the brain. I study how the immune cells help to protect the brain as well as help to maintain the proper function of the brain. And even though it's too late for my dad, we will bring a cure that will not be too late for other families.
My name is Ketty. My main project is to develop non-pharmacological and non-invasive treatments for Alzheimer's disease.
Data is critical to what we do. We are a data-led institute. My job is to try and bring it together and make it interpretable and accessible to all of the researchers across the UK DRI. Whether you're in Edinburgh or Cardiff, you should be able to access Cardiff or Edinburgh's data.
Going back to why we do what we do, which is not only to understand the brain, but fundamentally to discover a cure, we really need this close collaboration at early stages before publication, and that's what the UK DRI facilitates.
Collaboration between clinicians and scientists is critical to enable translational research.
She's a clinician, I'm a basic biologist, and we thought that that's a very good opportunity to kind of bridge this clinical to basic science gap.
This is why the Dementia Research Institute works.
And I think the success comes through bringing people together.
We have obviously a lot of different expertise within the network. There's different themes that we have where we can contact people with that expertise. That's a really great opportunity, especially as an early career scientist.
We know that UK DRI already plays an essential role in the dementia research landscape. We know that we can take the fundamental research generated by DRI and translate that into the medical breakthroughs that dementia patients need.
Having that wealth of expertise in the UK DRI does well for the collaboration and the narrowing of the gap between industry and academia, which will only benefit patients going forward.
So we need to be representative of the people that we're trying to help within our own research teams. We need to have a diverse team in order to battle something that affects the diverse community.
This institution has got a track record already. We are fortunate in having the best biomarker lab in the world, the gold standard lab for biomarker work.
DRI invested in us through the Directors Award, which enabled us to establish the gene therapy platform, share this technology with our DRI colleagues, and to set up a spin-out company from King's and the DRI to gain further investment.
You know, there's an accurate perception that dementia research has been underfunded. It's incredibly important that we establish some continuity of funding.
You can feel the energy in the UK DRI that we're all very passionate about driving dementia research forward. And And if we can do that in just under 5 years, I think, now that the infrastructure's in place, I think we're ready really to run with that now.
That kind of hopelessness I felt when my dad was diagnosed didn't become just a feeling that I couldn't do anything about. Yes, this is an ambitious project. Yes, our goal to develop a cure very soon is ambitious. But you know what? I think we're the best people to do it and the best ways. And we're at the right time to invest in dementia research.